Par migawo moro kwach kicho chikore mabor kod wach mar ndhiyo rowere adek e kar dak ma Kitengele County ma Kajiado. Jatatije ka bar migawo no Amin Momedo yango ni onge ng'ata mobila ondhiyo kata loro ne tok chik. Obila osebedo ka idore tago maliet kaluwore kod lal mar rowere adek magin Longton Jamil gi wadgi Asmal Longton gi Bob Njagi. Jadek go ne olal wuok tich tarik 19 dwe mokalo. Kinde podi okoyud ndachgi nyaka sani. Kamino chiwo lerno e kinde mane ogaye manyien mar obila Douglas Kanja ne chiwo twak mare mokwongo gi jofwambo bang' kawo PC.
The National Police Service is not involved in any case of abduction. Our duty and responsibility is to make sure that whoever is involved in abduction is apprehended and taken to court, and to also ensure that the abductees are saved and we bring them back alive. We have received a couple of complaints that certain peoples have been abducted, including the so-called the Kitengela 3. We have taken upon ourselves to ensure that the matter is investigated, and it is still under active investigation. So mine is to reiterate that as officers of the National Police Service, we are not holding the so-called the Kitengela 3. They are not in our custody.
We are going to deploy technology so that itusaidie sisi kuweza kufanya kazi zetu. Wakora wote aina yote ya wakora, we don't have space for them. Na nikasema iwe ni wale wezi ya mfugo, iwe ni wale wanapaga jamaa mbaya huko ya terrorism, terrorist